100 meters is the distance. The favorite, Boss Pogi. All set now, ready to race. Final race for this day. And the race is on. Bebot, Boss Pogi. Packet Rocket, down on the inside is American Ruler, Ever Charming, also rising up. It's now Boss Pogi, Bebot. American Ruler, Stellar Ace, also rising up is Ever Charming. Packet Rocket, racing in 7th by the rails, worth the weight. Purely Kali, 8th position, 9 is Storm Signal, then comes In Fairness, 4th last, 3rd last Typhoon Doring, and 3 number 6 Renzi Stage, and Federer is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, Boss Pogi by about 6 lengths. Bebot is running in second. Ever Charming, worth the weight down on the inside. And Stellar Storm Signal also moving up. Is Packet Rocket, American Ruler, P plus Purely Kali racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santa Ana stretch run with Boss Pogi by about 3 lengths. Worth the weight running by the round second. Boss Pogi, worth the weight is running by the round, burning the tracks. It's now worth the weight, Boss Pogi. And finally, worth the weight, Boss Pogi, Purely Kali, In Fairness, Federer. And for your Super 6, Storm Signal.